Welcome, fellow creators, adventurers, and seekers of inspiration. Today, we embark on a journey together, exploring the art of minimalist expression while traveling. Join me as we uncover the magic of carrying just the essentials, capturing fleeting moments, and finding inspiration in the world around us. So, grab your passport and your imagination, and let's dive into a world of creativity on the move. Firstly, carry the bare minimum. You don't want your entire traveling bag to contain only art supplies. Unless you're going away on an art retreat, you need only 3 colors. Whatever the medium is, you need only the primary color, which are yellow, red, and blue, along with black and white, to play with values and create anything. Or with watercolor, just 1 color and water to get as many values as you want. Only carry hassle-free mediums. Don't carry oil paints, acrylic paints, or even charcoal. Colored pencils, graphite, and watercolor are the best while traveling. Make small art. Don't expect to create finished pieces while traveling. Make studies and sketch out ideas with a few strokes. Then take it back to your studio at home and make a bigger piece based on your sketch. Don't leave supplies out in the sun or in the car. They'll melt or leak or become toxic. Click pictures wherever you go. There's nothing better than creating your own bank of reference images for future paintings. If you make art in public, be prepared for onlookers. People will come to you, look at your art, and talk to you. They will find you fascinating. They will be nice to you, but you'll hardly feel as invisible as you do in your studio. So if you don't like attention and if it makes you uncomfortable, don't draw in public. If there's a piece of art supply that is not available where you live, this is your chance to get it without paying a bomb for shipping. Do your research and visit an art store. Maybe try a different form of art on holiday. And I use the term art loosely. Write about your travels, make videos, watch their local dances, learn their local cooking, learn about their local outfits. As our journey comes to a close, I hope you've been inspired to pack light and create abundantly wherever your travels take you. If this video sparked your creativity, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow wanderers, and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of artists and adventurers. Until next time, may your adventures be filled with color, curiosity, and endless inspiration. Safe travels and keep creating.